Hello, Kids 4. Look at where I'm at. This is a beautiful place, right? This is called Golden Bridge. This is the Golden Bridge in Vietnam. In Vietnam, people wear this type of hats, these cone hats. They protect from the sun and they protect from the rain, too. Let's take a look at page 116. Look at these examples of different categories. Number 1, isso é um exemplo de furniture. Furniture, armchair, chair, sofa, table, tudo furniture, é a category furniture. Number 2, toys. There is a robot, a baseball bat. São toys. A doll, a ball. Number 3, a category animals, the group animals. Aí dentro do grupo animals, birds, cat, a dog. 4, food. Esse a gente conhece. The group food. 5, money. And number 6, clothes. Clothes, a t-shirt, a jacket, jeans. They are in the group clothes. Na activity 3, a gente tem os examples. Chair, cents, tipo 50 cent. Table, dog, pants, t-shirt, cat, sandwich, robot and apple. Primeiro, a gente vai colocar as categories, the name of the groups. Já tem money. Money, o example dollars, falta mais one. Aí aqui, table. Table faz parte de qual group? Os groups a gente tem na activity 1. Furniture, toys, animals, food, money and clothes. Primeiro a gente escreve o nome de todos os groups e depois os examples. Table vai aonde? Em qual group? Robot vai em qual group? You can complete. Okay. The groups, the categories, and the examples. Now let's see where Zach and Una were this morning on page 117.
1.
This morning, Zach was at a parade.
2.
Where were you this morning, Zach?
I was at the parade. It was fun. There were some animals, and there was a horse. There was some food, too.
There were some animals, and there was a horse. There was a horse. There was some food, too. So we use, de acordo com os examples de there was e there were in the dialogue. We use there was to talk about one thing, singular. We use there were to talk about two or more things, plural. We use there was to talk about things we can't count. For example, food. Food, uncountable. We cannot count food. Eu não posso falar aqui eu tenho one food, aqui eu tenho two food. No, a category food, no plural. Então, we can't count, we use was. There was some food. In activity 2, we need to complete the sentences com there was or there were. Number 1 is complete. Some flags, a flag. There were some flags, porque flags está no plural e eu consigo contar. A horse. There was or there were? Some food. There was or there were? Some flowers. There was or there were? You can complete. There was a horse. There was some food. And there were some flowers. Flowers está no plural, então dá para contar. There were. Esse tipo de celebration, a parade, é melhor a gente ir para uma parade quando estiver no summer or spring, when it's warm. If it's very cold in the winter or rainy, it's not a good idea to go to a parade because parades are open. On page 120, we can see the seasons and some characteristics. Spring with the flowers, spring. Summer with the heat, summer. Fall, when the leaves start to fall. Fall a gente também pode chamar de autumn. Fall ou autumn. Winter, when it's freezing cold, winter. Agora umas characteristics. Snow, a snow, cai do céu. Snow. Ice é diferente de snow. Ice é quando a water tá very, very cold and freezes, transformando em ice. Let's circle. Ice is hot or cold? Snow is hot or cold? Cold. People can ski, o esporte, ski, in the winter or in the summer? In the winter. Fish can swim in snow or water? Water. Pensou um fish no meio da snow? On page 121, let's listen to them talking about the parade.
I was at a great party last night.
How much food was there?
There was lots of food.
How many children were there?
There weren't any children, but there were lots of animals.
How much food was there? How many children, kids, how many children were there? De acordo com o example. Só pra gente lembrar, food é countable, dá pra contar food? No. Children as kids. Can I count kids? One boy, one girl, one kid, two kids. Yes, I can. So let's circle. We use how much or how many to ask nas questions sobre things we can count. We can count. How much or how many? How many? Lembra how many bananas do you see? We use how much or how many to ask about things we can't count. How much? For example, how much food? Let's listen to a song called Last Summer and complete com as options. How much or how many? Was there ou were there? Vou deixar as options aqui do lado. As options estão aqui. Much ou many? Was there ou were there? Listen.
Last summer, last summer, was there in the pool? There was lots and lots. How many children were there at school? There weren't any at all. Last spring, how many leaves were there on the trees? There were lots and lots. How much ice was there in the pool? There wasn't any at all.
How much water was there? How many children were there? How many leaves were there? How much ice was there? Vamos fazer um pequeno tour pelo Vietnã para a gente poder voltar to Brazil. Let's say bye-bye, Vietnam.
What I love about Vietnam, the country itself, is the people. They're pragmatic people. They do what they say. They're very honest, they're very honorable people, and they're hardworking people, and they go for it. They don't want to fail. No one wants to fail, but they're ready to do something. And then if that doesn't work, they close it up, that shop, and try something new.
Very well. Okay, so thank you, and I see you next year. Bye-bye. Have a nice vacation.